My forehead is shinier than you.
Did you see the bird?
Hello, explorers! Welcome to my channel!
Hello. So, welcome again in one of Miska's YouTube video. It's two of us. Guess what is new with Miska? Miska has new eyeglasses. Look, so pretty, right? Ta-da!
Say in the video.
No?
No.
Okay. For me, it's cute, and Miska teaching me how to say that, but I don't know why she didn't like it for video. Sorry. Oh, by the way, my makeup today is by Miska. Probably I should like. Do you like it? So glowy. What is the theme of my makeup today, Miska? I think what I say is much nicer than what Miska just said. Okay, so what is the plan for this morning? We are going to drive to Duke University for a conference, and wow, look at that! Did you see it? Oh, wait. I'll show you. Like, there's like a, I don't know, leaves, flower, like falling down. It's like spring coming. I don't know if you can see it from the window, but yeah, it looks so pretty. Yes, so we are going to drive to Duke University from our hotel. There's a conference about forestry that we are going to join, and we will show you around what Duke University looks like. This is our first time as well to visit Duke University, so we are excited. See ya. So this is Duke University. We are in the middle of campus. I think I need to turn right here.
I think my mommy needs her Google Maps. BRB, guys.
Finally, after looking for some parking, we can park our car. I actually got a parking permit, but I don't know why. Every time I scan it, it doesn't work. But okay, well, we are here, and this is the campus, and we are going to Grange Hall, which is Duke School of Environment and Natural Resources. So that is the name, Granger Hall. Hermione, Harry Potter. I think you can go to left, Miska. That is the building. I think that is the building. Okay, I think this is the building. Yes, it's a Granger Hall. What is downstairs? Oh, okay. Yeah, I think I mistook this road. We just went over there because Google Maps say that we already in the right place, but then we cannot find the parking lot. Thank you. We are inside. What? I think we need to welcome to symposium. I think we need to go here.
You can insure against these things, and you can pay a lot of money, a lot of your investment return to do it. You know, the better thing is to learn how to live with it. And if you start looking more carefully and you accept that it's part of the system.
My forehead is shinier than you.
Okay, so this is lunchtime. We had multiple presentations, and now it's a break, lunch break, and Miska and I are going to explore the Duke University campus. So we are actually from the parking lot we took down the stairs and then we are going to follow Google Maps. Google Maps! And we are going to visit the famous landmark of Duke University Chapel. Oh, people doing lunch here. Look at that. That is also conference participants.
Oh, a way to town.
So this is the building for School of Environment, and I think we should go here. Is there any way? Oh yeah. It's so vibrant here, so lively. The weather is also nice. Oh, I think they have like a kid event. This is the School of Engineering. Civil engineering. Let's go. I think we need to. Oh my god, why I shoot the rubbish bin?
Because the rubbish bin is the star of the show.
Okay. I'm not sure if I'm doing the right thing, but I probably need to check the Google map again. Birdie, birdie, birdie. Don't run. Don't fly. Did you see the bird? So cute. Oh, it's running. Miska, look at the magnolia. Okay, so we need to continue. Go to the stairs. Bye, birdie. Bye, magnolia trees. I think we just need to go straight.
Go through the forest?
Probably.
Reasons why mommy shouldn't be a tour guide.
What?
You said go straight. You mean you want to go to the forest?
Why not?
This is unconditioned forest. There's no paths. What if we become Native American?
What? How come?
No, we're not going to
Oh, you don't want to go straight there? Let's take the safer pathway.
not savor the human way.
Oh, that is physics and mathematics.
Oh no, my two least favorite subjects.
Why?
I don't like bingo.
Eh,
I respect people who can do both, but for me, I cannot do both.
not your interest.
Yeah, people who can do it,
Uh-huh.
good job. But for me, bad job.
What is this? Connecting Duke University, oh, and University of North Carolina. This is bus stop.
Are they gonna go to the cathedral?
Yes, we are going to Chapel. Is that how you say it?
No, are they gonna go to the chapel?
Yes, this is a transit between two universities.
Oh, that's not very Sigma.
That's Sigma. It's
No,
public
'cause I asked
transportation.
you if they're gonna go like around into the cathedral, and then you said no, it's between two universities, and I said, oh, that's not Sigma.
Okay, so this is our destination, Chapel. I guess we need to go here. Spring is coming. Look at the trees. Well, the sun is very strong today. It says it's going to be 80 degrees in Fahrenheit. 80 degrees in Fahrenheit is equal with how many in Celsius? What?
What? I'm looking at that. I'm not doing any.
I'm looking at trees.
Yeah, no dip. You're a professor of trees. You're literally a doctor for trees.
Nah, I'm not doctor of trees.
Yes, you are. Because you make sure trees are healthy.
Trees are healthy so that we can
Chop
lock,
them down.
chop it down for wood, for timber, and then we can use it for our daily life.
That's a little dark.
Oh, I can see the chapel. Like a bit far away. We just need to go straight. Okay, so I'm confused. That one or this one? Guess which one, Miska? Let's go.
What? I didn't sign up for this.
Why? Oh, look at the trees. Oh, this is the chapel. Yay! Okay. Chapel, here we go.
Didn't.
Wow, look at that.
Mommy totally didn't think that the chapel was over there.
Wait,
Told,
huh?
we totally thought this chapel was right.
Miska, I want to make a reels.
8-7.
Come here. Let's go, Miska.
6-7.
You look so comfy. Sitting
Yeah,
over there.
Because I was until you said, let's go, Miska.
Let's go, Miska. Come on. We try to go inside the chapel. I think we just go straight for now and just explore.
Oh, so I'm gonna get the tree? That's what you mean by straight? Okay.
Wow, look at these blossoming trees. So pretty. What are you doing?
You told me to go straight.
Wait.
So I go.
Wow, this is so cool, Miska. Look at all of the flowers. Wow. Miska, let's make another reel.
No.
Let's go, Miska.
6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2,
What is that song about? Huh?
6.
Welcome to United Kingdom.
United Kingdom. Where's the Britain flag?
Well, it looks like Britain, right?
No.
No?
There's only the building.
This is Gothic style.
Can we go inside?
I think it's locked, unfortunately.
I'm touching it, guys.
You're touching it. 1930? Look at this, Miska. Oh, okay. To the glory of God and in grateful memory of Edwin Eugene Degas.
And then in memory of J. Foster and Bishop.
Ah, okay. Founding director of chapel music. Soli Deo Gloria. Okay. That's beautiful wooden door. I want to take a picture. What? Come on, downtown Manhattan.
Oh wow, it's old. Almost 100 years old.
Well, it said open daily. Okay. So it should be open. Ah, I see. Okay, so this is the entrance. Wow, look at that. So tall. Let's go. Look at that. Oh my God. So tall. Welcome to Duke Chapel. That's the history. this university name. Yes. We are feeling so hungry and we are looking something to eat. There's a coffee place over there. Miskan, there's probably university store. Yay, university store. Let's
Head
go.
west.
Let's go, Miska. Okay. Never mind about that. That is my Google map to go back to the place where we park our car. But we are changing our mind.
Turn
We
right.
are going here to the university store. Okay, this is the store.
Let's go! Thanks for watching. See you next time.